An Irish digital rights advocate has said America risks tarnishing its reputation globally if it goes through with subjecting travellers to a stringent new review of social media history. This week saw US Customs and Border Protection announce a proposal to make the collection of 5 years of social media history mandatory for travellers applying for an electronic system for travel authorization, or ESTA. At present, provision of social media information is simply optional. This comes with the advent of the so-called Trump Gold Card, a fast track to US residency that applicants can purchase for $1 million. Trump has said of the Gold Card, basically it's a green card, but much better, and said it will ensure to allow only great people to live in the country. However, Antoine O'Loughlin of Digital Rights Ireland has expressed concern that the new rules could be used against travellers to the country, adding, "This requirement will surely tarnish America's reputation as a welcoming country to visit for leisure, business and family reasons." The proposal by US Customs and Border Protection is open to public consultation for 60 days and may well still be rejected. But in the event it does become law, Mr. O'Loughlin is warning Irish travellers to be aware that EU digital rights will no longer apply to them when they become subject to the social media searches. However, Tom Randalls, president of the Irish Travel Agents Association, reckons Irish travellers are uniquely placed to avoid running into issues with US authorities over the potential rules. He said, "The Irish, they're sensible travellers. Whatever precautions or steps they need to take, they will do them to prevent being stopped at any of the immigration points," adding that no new law could erase the, quote, "history and strong connection between the two countries going back over generation to generation." In relation to next summer's FIFA World Cup in America, he said, "If this was to come in, the Irish will be determined to travel because they haven't been in such a major tournament in such a long time." His optimism is reflected in what is reported to be an increase in Irish visitors to America by the end of October, despite conjecture around immigration by the US president. Irish travel to the US was up 0.4% to 411,617 visits to that period, according to US figures, while cross-border driving trips by Canadians to the US were down 28.6% in November on the same month last year, according to Statistics Canada.